Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to make a t-shirt design online free. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon for upcoming videos. In this video we use Canva.com to create our t-shirt design. There are so many other online free tools we can use for this, but Canva.com is a free tool and anyone can easily use it. First, you go to Canva.com and create an account and next log in into homepage. Then click Create a Design and after that click Custom Dimensions in order to create the template. I recommend you to choose pixels for this. In this tutorial I make my t-shirt design based on the inspirational quote "Nothing is impossible." First in the workspace I type my quote. Adjust the font size into whatever the font size you want and center it properly on canvas. Canva.com provides so many features to create our design and you can do changes and add text as your wish. Canva provides different elements options that help to create our design. You can upload your own photos as well. I'm going to change the colors of this square and the be positive phrase because this design is put on a white t-shirt. Make sure to group your design after you create it. Make sure to remove white space background before you put your design on the t-shirt. Hope you all did enjoy the video. That's how we can easily create t-shirt designs using Canva tool. Comment your idea about the video in the comment section and make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel right now. Goodbye.